Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Mazda CX-7 Luxury Sports. Stock reference number 5707. This shape runs from the 11th month 2006 through to the 2nd month 2012. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left front 19-inch back alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door has 3 small dents, left rear 19-inch back alloy mag with a good tyre. Left-hand tail light is a little bit milky. Tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate has no damage. Right tail light is a little bit milky also. Right rear 19-inch back alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents. Right front door has no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 19-inch back alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Show window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Automatic console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heated controls. 6-stack CD player, sat nav display screen, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunroof type, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster.